Hello boys and girls, today we are going to draw a line segment that is 3 centimeters longer than the date. And the date line segment is 7 centimeters. And 7 plus 3 is 10. Remember, a line segment has an end point. Justine has 6 dimes and 4 nickels. At lunchtime, she traded her dimes for nickels. Draw a picture of the coins. How many nickels does she have now? Well, she already had 4 nickels. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many nickels are a dime worth? Well, 2. So, for each of your dimes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, make each of these double. Now, how many does she have? 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 dimes. 16 nickels, sorry. How much money is that? Well, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Well, if this is worth 40, what's 40 plus 40? 80. It's 80 cents. Or 80 cents. Measure each side of the rectangle in example 1 using centimeters. What is the length? What is the width? Length, width. Draw it. Now, this is what I want to talk about. Perimeter is what is all the way around. So, let's look at example 1, and we're going to measure, well, this is 15 centimeters. This is 2 centimeters. And if this is 2, this is 2. If this is 15, this is 15. So, 15 plus 15 is 30. 32, 34. So it is 34 centimeters is the perimeter. Now, write a number sentence and find the total for each. 2 packages of 6 chairs. So, if there's 2 packages with 6 chairs in it, crackers in it, how many are there? 6 plus 6 is 12, or 6 times 2 equals 12. 2 times 6 equals 12. That's the commutative property. There's 5 tables with 4 chairs in it. Let me say that right now. 5 tables. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 tables with 4 in them. 5 times 4, or 4 times 5. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Or hopefully you already know that 4 times 5 is 20. I have 3 quarters and 4 dimes. How much money do I have? 25, 50, 75. 4 dimes, 10, 20, 30, 40. Equals how much? Well, 75 plus 40. The 5 will stay the same. 4 plus 7 is 11. So I have $1.15. Write 20 divided by 10 in 3 different ways. Well, a fraction is just division. So it can actually look like this. So it can be 20 divided by 10, 20 divided by 10, or 20 divided by 10. And I tell this story, and I like it. Okay, so once upon a time, there lived a man. His name was Dividend. And the reason why he has that name is because he had a big, fat hind end, because he stayed in his house all day and never went anywhere. He ate and ate and ate, and he couldn't even get out of his house. Okay, so Dividend had a divisor. His divisor would tell him what to do. He would order stuff and deliver it to the house. He was his divisor, or advisor, as I like to think of. So, dividend would call his divisor and get a ding, ding, ding quotient or answer. So that is how you know what these words mean. Dividend, divisor, and quotient. So, 20 divided by 10 is 10, 20. It's 2. Because 10 can go into 20 2 times. So this is a dividend, this is a divisor, and 2 is your quotient. This is your dividend, this is your divisor, and this is your quotient. Round each number to the nearest 10 and add the rounded numbers. You should be able to do this all on your own. Now, 9 plus 6 is 15. Can I write the number 15? So it'd be 1530. I've never heard of 1530. What do I do? How do I get the right answer? Well, there are 12. It goes to 12, and then you have to restart. So how much above 12 is 15? 12, 13, 14, 15. So it'd be 3:30. Now, we went from PM and we're going to go to AM because it went past that 12. So it is 3:30 AM. And that concludes today's lesson.